My name is Sophia E. Navarro, and today I'm going to solve this problem, set A to set D. Now let's first solve the problem set A. My problem is an open rectangular box is to have a base twice as long as it is wide. If its volume must be 972 centimeter cube, what dimension will minimize the amount of material used in its construction? Let's so let the width of the base is W. Of the base is W. So the length is equals to 2 width, and the height of the box is H, and the volume of the box will be equal to W times 2 W or width times H or the height equals to 2 width squared height. So the given will be 2 W squared H equals to 972, and the height will be 486 over width squared. Pause. Now let's solve for an open area. Let's solve for the surface area of an open top box. And that is A is equals to 2 width squared plus 2 width height plus 2 times 2 width or 2W H, and that is equals to 2 width squared plus 2 width height plus 4 width height, and that is equals to 2 width squared plus 6 width height, which is equals to 2 width squared plus 2 width times 486 over width squared equals to 2 width squared plus 2916 over width, and we have to we have to get the derivative of this both sides, and that is d A over d with this is area, and width squared plus 2,916 over width. And so the answer is 4 width minus 2,916 over width squared. And by setting the dA over dW equals to 0, we get the minimum surface area. And to get that minimum surface area, we must 4 width minus 2,916 over width squared is equals to 0. And 4 width equals 2,916 over width squared is equals to width cube equals to 722 G. 722 G. And that is equals to width cube equals to 72 G, which is equals to W equals G, which is H, or the height, will be equals to 486 G over G squared equals 6. So the width will be G centimeter cm, while the length will be equal to G times 2 equals to 18 centimeter, while the height will be equals to 6 centimeter. So the dimension, or the final answer, will be 18 times G times 6 centimeter. This will be the answer that will minimize the amount of material used in its construction, which is the 18 times G times 6. And that is the final answer.
Let's solve for the set B. And here is the given for my set B, which is the trigonometric function. Y is equals to cotangent times x plus 1 plus sine squared times x plus 1. And the y prime of this given is, first, let's get the derivative of this side, which is the cosecant squared times x plus 1 times 1 plus this one, which is just sine times x plus 1 squared. And next is negative cosecant squared times x plus 1 plus 2 times sine x plus 1 times cosine x plus 1 times 1. And the final answer is negative cosecant squared times x plus 1 plus sine 2 x plus 2 and that is the final answer. Now, let's solve for my set C,
which is the exponential and logarithmic function.
and here is my given. X is equals to t plus e to the power of negative t times t plus e to the power of positive t squared. Second step is to find the prime of x, which is x prime is equals to t plus e to the power of negative t times 2 times t plus e to the power of positive t, then 1 plus e to the power of positive t plus t plus e to the power of positive t squared times 1 plus e to the power of negative t times 1. And the final answer is t plus e to the power of negative t times 2 plus 2e to the power of positive t times 1 plus e to the power of positive t plus t plus e to the power of positive t squared times 1 minus e to the power of negative t. And that is the final answer for this given. Let's solve for my set B, which is the hyperbolic function and inverse hyperbolic function. And here is the given. X is equals to cotangent h squared times square root of x plus 1 minus ln times cotangent h x. Now let's solve this given. X prime is equals to negative cosecant h squared times x plus 1 times the power of 1/2 cotangent h times x plus 1 times to the power of 1/2 times 1 over x plus 1 times to the power of 1/2 minus negative cosecant h squared x over cotangent hx. And the final answer is x prime is equals to negative cosecant h squared times x plus 1 times to the power of 1/2 cotangent h times x plus 1 times to the power of 1/2 over x plus 1 1/2 plus cosecant h squared x over cotangent h x. And this is the final answer for this given.